playing an OG game, playing an OG game, playing an OG game, got Burrito Bison. Dude, I think that one's game is pretty good. Oh my god. That monster scared me so bad. Oh my. Oh, there is a third one. I forgot that there was a third one. I thought there was only two. No. Don't mind the video. It's just lag. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? It's lag. Just don't mind the video. I don't want to try to test recording from my tablet, yeah. So it's just playing Burrito Bison right now. Does I sound like it? Ow. 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 Yada. Yeah, but I'll be making a one out of Flumpy series thing, and I will show where I got my inspiration from for Tanak. Maybe he may fall flat sometime. She got down with the game. No, dang it. It's crazy. Which one did I get? Because it's Slippery Ocean. Look. Dang, I should have bought it. Too bad. Oh my god. That was a lot. You know what's crazy? That the thing that's crazy is that these gummies don't do anything when I get the thing. Let me see fast. Like when you just oh it's gonna hurt. No, pinata. It's gonna suck. Okay, this time I'm gonna save it for look. Alright, come on. This isn't the special video, by the way. If you do really want to know, then I'll tell you right now. I might. Oh, I think my game is kind of lagging right now. I think it's not lagging for you guys, but I feel like lagging so much for me. Isn't that crazy? If I die now in this recording, I might just make a new one. I can make another one. Like, for example, like when I have Flumpty. Like a Flumpty one. Or Dumb Ways to Die. I would not be making that just for, yeah, because Dumb Ways to Die, if it's known for being a little bit violent with all the blood and stuff. So I might restrict it. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to think about it. But there's a high chance that I'm gonna restrict it. And oh wait, there's no assault on the 3rd level. How did I notice that? What? Oh. Oh, nice. Hold on. One last round. Oh, wonderful. Oh, that's some broken bones with that gun. Dude, how did I not just press pause? My finger just landed on there. That's crazy. Yeah! This is crazy. Oh no. You can see a little bit of that blood on the arm. Come on. We just heard it. Oh! Oh, it's that chicken guy. He was in the menu. I was wondering what he was. Oh! Oh, oh. Beat me up. Beat me up. Beat me up. I can't. Dang it! Dude, I was about to get a lot of loot. I'm dead. I'm not gonna be able to do it. I died. I don't tolerate it. Look what we can upgrade. Oh wow. You know what? Just wait till it hits 10 minutes. Yeah, no miss. Oh my gosh. My game lagged. No. No! Ah! No! I'm dead. 2 more seconds. Ow. No. Oh. There we go. Oh. Oh. Ooh, thank you. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye, Gizmos. See you next video.